giving tips in restaurant. يعني about the when we talk about the rishwa, it is something to take the haram things. You take the money of the others. This is one point. Another point يعني is giving the tips, okay, will cause a problem or not. How? يعني for example, at work, you know, there is يعني suppose that you are 10 employees and there is one cleaner or the tea boy. So if I am giving him every day, I am giving him 1 dinar. Okay, so usually what happens, because I am giving him money, so every day he will serve me. Okay, if I ask him anything, immediately he will do it. While if the others ask him something, they will not. He will not answer them quickly. So this can affect the process. Then we'll say this is haram. This is haram to give an employee, because he is a cleaner or he's a tea boy. He is an employee for the whole employees. Okay, so I do something to give me more care. Okay, sometimes I'm doing that without intention. Yani I'm doing that in intention to help him. He is miskin, he is a poor guy. So I give him just to help him. But yes, your intention is good, but this way will corrupt him. So don't do it. But يعني for example, you know, here in Kuwait they are very poor. So I am in a restaurant. So he يعني after I finish, okay, so I pay for example 10 KD, then he give me the back 7 KD or 5 KD with coins, 100 fils, 200 fils. I leave them for him. This is okay. Why? Because he doesn't know that I am coming to him. Sorry, I'm giving him, or I'm not coming to this restaurant. Maybe I'm in one country and yeah, I'm sorry, I'm visiting this restaurant regularly. So the point is, if I'm doing that in a way that I can corrupt him, I can spoil him, then we have to avoid. We have to avoid. Okay, يعني for example in Jam'iyah in Kuwait, you know the system, the co-op. Okay, if this porter, if this cleaner, okay, he knows that I'm giving him, so what will happen? He will go with me to not only to the car, he will go with me to the house, and he will ignore the other people. Okay, then this is not allowed. This is not allowed.